In this lecture, we're going to cover how to install Python on a Linux system. If Linux is not the operating system you're using, feel free to skip this lecture. The process is slightly different from macOS, but it's equally straightforward. Let's go step by step. First, we need to open the terminal. Depending on your Linux distribution, you can usually find the terminal in your applications menu, or you can use a keyboard shortcut like Ctrl-Alt-T. Most Linux distributions come with Python pre-installed. To check if you already have Python 3 installed, type the following command in your terminal. If you see Python 3 dot something, then Python 3 is already installed. If not, we'll go ahead and install it. Before installing any new software, it's always a good idea to update the package list to ensure we get the latest version. Type this in the terminal. Enter your password if prompted. This command updates the package list on your system. Now let's install Python. For most Linux distributions, especially Debian-based ones like Ubuntu, you can use the apt package manager. Type this in your terminal. This command will download and install Python 3. Confirm the installation if prompted. The process might take a few minutes. After the installation is complete, we need to verify it. Again, type Python 3 -- version. You should see the version number of Python 3, confirming that the installation was successful. PIP is a tool for installing Python packages. It's essential for managing additional libraries. To install PIP, type this. Once installed, verify it by typing this. Usually, the installation process adds Python to your path, but let's ensure that everything is set up correctly. Open your .bashrc or .bash profile in a text editor by typing this in the terminal. Add the following line at the end of the file. Save the file and reload the configuration by typing this. Finally, let's test if everything is working correctly by writing a simple Python script. In your terminal, type Python 3. This will open the Python interpreter. Now type this. If you see Hello Python printed on the next line, congratulations, you've successfully installed Python on your Linux system.